Thank you. I think, just from where you started the question, as a founder of most fintechs, I think the first thing is the intention is to run away from regulation or regulator because it always feels overbearing. And in the desire to grow fast, you believe that this is something that is going to weigh you down. I think what has changed for us, and that speech that the SEBI chairwoman gave, was to say that regulation can be inclusive. And if you move in the right way towards the spirit and philosophy of regulation, I think that's the opportunity to create a large business. Otherwise, you're just operating in the niche. The bond trading platform regulations are an incredible step forward in that direction. Right? I think they've tried to do two things, and I think everything that has been said in this conference today and that we have seen from regulators and government is to achieve a balance of two objectives: allowing innovation to happen while protecting the interest, especially of the retail user, of the retail customer. The bond regulations enabled a reduction of 90% in the face value of bonds from 10 lakh rupees to 1 lakh in face value. At the same time, which is great for market development, but at the same time said only listed rated bonds must be available so that there is KYC, no anonymity, and exit is possible. I think that balance was achieved and actually gave in a way, a stamp of approval to say, let's make this industry viable, let's deepen the markets, but keeping in mind certain frameworks and guidelines. To our extent, we've been able to now only focus on those bonds. The clarity exists, right? And clarity is great for business. So we've been able to move on our platform, on the bond side, to only listed rated bonds that are available. In fact, we've also set a criteria internally that it will only be A-rated bonds, right? And hence give a further curation.
Only rated A and above.
A and above rated bonds. I think that's number one. And definitely there are steps that we need to take for compliance reporting, but I think that's good for business. I don't see any big company getting built in any fintech sector across the world without taking those steps for regulations. It's processes. I think the second part which we've been able to change in the last 6 months is look at the spirit of what SEBI is saying, and can we introduce other fixed income products that also meet that spirit and that smell test. We've been able to introduce a securitization product which is also listed rated on the market, and that has become interesting for users to participate in. Right? I think a lot of our peer set are now thinking in the same direction, and the combination of having a license, having a clear set of framework in which to operate, will allow more people to create products that will actually benefit the ecosystem.